Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Open House. I'm your designer Lucas from Project 19 Interior Design. Today, we are showcasing a 4-room BTO at North Shore Drive that we have recently completed. Let's take a look at how we have transformed this space into a cozy, clean and functional home. For this project, the homeowners wanted their space to feel clean yet cozy. So our approach was to incorporate light colours with warm tones and muted shades throughout the living area. White can sometimes feel too simple, so I added shaker-style cabinets with gold accent handles. This added a touch of elegance and depth, elevating the overall design. The homeowner came in with rough ideas inspired by platforms like Pinterest, which made communication easy. We discussed their preference, and I was able to translate their vision into practical design solutions that suited their lifestyle. We also had to balance their desires with practical aspects like budget and building codes. Shaker-style cabinets, for instance, are more labor-intensive and costlier, but the homeowners were happy to invest a little bit more for the results they wanted. Another standout feature was the use of rattan laminate on some surfaces, which created a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Many guests even mistook it for real rattan. One of the main challenges was the limited space at the bomb shelter area, which made our initial plan for a shoe cabinet invisible. But after discussion with the homeowners, we adapted the design to maximize the available space, as you will see in the video. We also made sure to address practical concerns like the maintenance of the shaker-style cabinets. I made sure the homeowners were aware of potential issues like dust settling on the layers and worked closely with them to ensure that the design was functional as well as beautiful. For me, it's about treating every project like it's my own home. I make sure all workmanship issues are resolved before the handover and ensure the final result is something both the homeowners and I can be proud of. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of the North Shore Drive BTO project. I hope you enjoyed seeing how we have transformed this space into a functional, cozy and elegant home. Stay tuned for more exciting projects on Open House. See you next time.